Now that we have decided to create an infographic about the easiest ways to clean a mattress, we need to gather relevant data that we can talk about in the infographic. We can get quite a bit of the data from the article itself. So, let's see what we can gather from this article. Let me put all of the data we can gather from the article into a notepad file. The idea is we can later give this notepad file to the infographic designer. Let me pause the video while I copy paste data from the article into a notepad file. This is what we can gather from the article. That's not a whole lot of information for an infographic. We need more data if we want to create a very compelling infographic. So, we need more ideas about cleaning mattresses. Maybe it would also be helpful if we can get some information about what illnesses are caused by unclean mattresses. That could make the infographic more compelling. One of the best places to look for ideas about infographics is Pinterest.com. So, let's head over to Pinterest and see what we can find. Let's do a search for clean mattress infographic. As you can see, there are lots of infographics out here. Let's look for some interesting infographics about cleaning a mattress. Let's now search for bed bug infographics. There are so many of these here. After a while of doing this, you should be able to get at least a few very interesting infographics. Let me save all of these URLs into the notepad file. Let me pause the video while I do that. The information we now have is sufficient to create an infographic. Just like we did with the article we found from BuzzFeed, you will want to extract all relevant information from these infographics. And you would want to make a note of the sources of information too. At the bottom of every infographic, the sources of information are listed. You would want to manually verify whether the information presented in the infographic is taken from the sources they have listed. You are not looking to copy the design and presentation of these infographics, but you can make a note of the facts, ideas, and statistics. Those pieces of information are in the public domain anyway, so you are not plagiarizing anyone's content. Once you have gathered all of the data and organized it all into a text file, you will want to hire a designer to design your infographic. In the next video, we will see how to do that.